looking for the best action cameras to capture your adventures. In this video, we're exploring 5 incredible options from top-tier picks to budget-friendly powerhouses. Whether it's 4K video, waterproof durability, or cutting-edge features, you're after these cameras delivered all. Let's dive in and find the perfect match for your next adventure. The GoPro Hero 13. Black redefines action cameras with cutting-edge technology and unmatched performance. Built for adventurers, creators, and enthusiasts alike. This camera combines rugged durability with stunning visuals. It features a new Hypersmooth 7.0 stabilization, ensuring buttery smooth footage even in the most extreme conditions. The 5.7K video resolution and 24-megapixel still photography deliver vibrant, crystal-clear images that capture every detail. With its dual touchscreen displays, the Hero 13 Black offers intuitive controls and seamless switching between front and rear screens, perfect for vlogging or capturing selfies on the go. It also supports 10-bit color and advanced HDR, producing rich, lifelike colors in every shot. The camera is waterproof up to 33 feet 10 meters without housing and includes enhanced voice control, making it versatile and user-friendly in various environments. Its longer-lasting battery supports extended shooting sessions, while fast-charging compatibility ensures you're always ready to capture the action. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also integrates seamlessly with the GoPro Quick app, allowing for effortless editing, sharing, and cloud backups. Whether you're scaling a mountain, diving into the ocean, or creating a cinematic masterpiece, this powerhouse camera is your ultimate companion. The Insta360 Ace Pro is a revolutionary 360-degree camera designed to elevate your content creation experience. With its dual 1-inch sensors co-engineered with Leica, it captures stunning 6K video and 21-megapixel photos, ensuring exceptional clarity, dynamic range, and detail. Whether you're shooting immersive landscapes, action-packed adventures, or cinematic vlogs, the Ace Pro delivers professional-grade quality. This camera is equipped with Insta360's flow state stabilization and horizon lock, providing ultra-smooth, shake-free footage, even during high-intensity activities. The AI-powered editing tools available through the Insta360 app make creating polished videos effortless, offering features like auto-framing object tracking and one-tap effects. The Ace Pro is built for versatility, featuring waterproofing up to 10 meters, making it perfect for underwater exploration. It also supports 360 live streaming, allowing creators to engage with their audience in real time. The compact and lightweight design ensures it's easy to carry, and the long-lasting battery keeps you shooting longer without interruption. From creators and vloggers to adventurers and professionals. The Insta360 Ace Pro is the ultimate tool for capturing life in every direction, delivering a seamless blend of creativity, innovation, and performance. The Sony FDX3000 is a compact action camera that combines advanced image stabilization and 4K video recording to deliver stunning visuals, whether you're capturing extreme sports or everyday moments. Featuring Sony's Balanced Optical Steady Shot BOSS technology, it ensures smooth and shake-free footage even during intense action setting. It apart from many competitors in the market, powered by a 1/2.5-inch Exmor R CMOS sensor and BioNZX processor. The FDX3000 offers exceptional image clarity, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. It records videos in 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second and supports high-speed recording for slow-motion effects in Full HD with its Zeiss Tessar lens. The camera captures a wide-angle view, perfect for landscapes, action shots, and immersive perspectives. The camera is designed for versatility, featuring built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth, making it easy to transfer files and control the camera remotely via the Live View remote or smartphone app. It also comes with a splash-proof body and includes a waterproof housing that allows for dives up to 60 meters, making it a reliable companion for underwater adventures. With robust build quality, excellent stabilization, and high-quality video recording. The Sony FDX3000 is a top choice for action enthusiasts, vloggers, and content creators looking for a durable and powerful camera to capture their adventures with precision and style. The Akaso Brave 7LE is a versatile and budget-friendly action camera designed for adventure seekers and content creators. Its rugged build and impressive features make it a great companion for capturing your most thrilling moments. Equipped with a 20-megapixel sensor and capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, this camera delivers sharp, vibrant visuals that rival more expensive models. One of its standout features is the dual-color screen design with a front display. Perfect for selfies, and a larger back touchscreen for easy navigation and playback. Whether you're shooting solo or with friends, this makes framing and reviewing your shots effortless. The Brave 7 LE is also waterproof up to 1 meter without a case, and comes with a protective housing that extends its underwater capabilities to 40 meters, making it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or diving adventures. Its 6-axis image stabilization ensures smooth and steady footage even in fast-paced or high-action scenarios. This camera includes a wide range of shooting modes such as time-lapse, slow motion, and burst photo, giving you creative flexibility. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the camera remotely via the Akaso app and quickly share your content online. With a variety of included accessories, dual batteries, and reliable performance in diverse conditions, the Akaso Brave 7 LE offers exceptional value for its price, making it a top choice for those who want quality and functionality without breaking the bank. The DJI Pocket 3 is the ultimate compact camera for creators on the go, blending portability and professional-grade features. This pocket-sized powerhouse is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second and 60 megapixel. Still photos ensuring crisp details and vibrant colors for any project. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilization provides incredibly smooth footage even during fast-paced action or handheld recording, making it perfect for vlogs, travel films, or cinematic shots. One of the standout features is its ActiveTrack 6.0 technology, which locks onto subjects with precision and keeps them in frame whether you're shooting solo or capturing dynamic movements. The Pocket 3 also includes a versatile 2-inch touchscreen, allowing intuitive control, real-time previews, and on-the-spot editing, with wireless connectivity and compatibility with the DJI Mimo app. Sharing your creations is seamless. You can access advanced editing tools and templates right from your smartphone. Its long-lasting battery supports hours of recording, and fast charging ensures minimal downtime. The DJI Pocket 3 also excels in audio quality, featuring built-in directional microphones and external mic support for professional-grade sound recording. Whether you're a content creator, adventurer, or casual user, this camera packs cutting-edge technology into a sleek, portable design that delivers big results.